Hello guys, hello everyone. Okay guys, we are in New York and this is the US Phantom F-4. It's a very old jet fighter and we are gonna try to take off here from this aircraft carrier that is located here in New York guys. So it's a snowy day here in New York, it's a very cold day and that's gonna be a takeoff from this amazing aircraft, the F-4 Phantom. So guys, let's watch the takeoff. There he goes, full power. Very powerful takeoff. Amazing guys, amazing takeoff of this aircraft. A lot of power on those engines. Very nice. Alright, so let's watch it closer. There he is. We are climbing. You can see Manhattan. It's a snowy day here in New York. What an amazing aircraft, guys. We can see the beautiful Manhattan, New York. A lot of snow in the buildings, in the top of the buildings. We have a lot of snow. Very far we have Central Park, Empire State Building we can see soon, and the Freedom Tower. That's amazing. And that's the F-4 Phantom. Beautiful black color on this aircraft. That looks amazing with this view of New York. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this takeoff. I see you guys next time. Stay safe for now. Thank you and bye bye. Take care.